Hello everyone and welcome to Spirituality Sundays on Sunday, the 29th of August 2021. Today is Tarot Card of the Week. The deck I'll be using today is the Tarot Kit by Jane Struthers. Stuck in a relationship that isn't going anywhere, feeling let down by your best friend, sensing friction at work, the tarot can help you decide what to do. The focus is on why. So let's choose this card that's just jumped out and see. The Seven of Cups. This is a card of mixed emotions. It's a card that signifies with water signs, which are Cancer, Scorpio, and I've forgotten. But either way, let's have a look in the book and see. I think it's a shock because it jumped out. Anyway, we shall interpret this, and basically it's a choice of too many choices, emotions led. The Seven of Cups. This card is full of promise and openings. It's telling you that you will soon be spoilt for choice in some way. You'll be offered several opportunities which could all seem exciting or encouraging. However, some of these will fail to live up to expectations, and a few will even turn out to be liabilities or more trouble than they're worth. Pisces is the other sign. Nevertheless, at least one opportunity will be extremely favourable, and it might even lead on to tremendous success, happiness or contentment. You will also have to exert a great deal of effort in order to get the most out of these opportunities, so you cannot expect anything beneficial simply to land in your lap without any hard work on your part. Nevertheless, if you are prepared to do your best, you will look back on this time as a period in which you were able to realise a dream or achieve something very worthwhile. Wishful thinking. The Seven of Cups warns against wishful thinking, indulging in whims or concentrating on daydreams that will never amount to anything. Although the card describes the very promise of something, it insists that you should be very hard-headed when making a decision about it. You must not choose something with scant regard for how it will turn out, nor should you assume that it will work out as well of its own accord. You may have to deal with problems associated with your choices, or put in a huge amount of effort before you see any rewards. However, if things do work out for you, you will be delighted with what has been achieved. Making a careful choice. The card shows 7 cups floating in the air, while a shadowy figure stands in front of them and is apparently in the act of choosing some of them. At first glance, each cup may look attractive and shiny, ripe for the picking. However, when you look more closely, you will realise that some of the cups contain rather unpleasant objects, or the reflections on their curved surfaces are strangely reminiscent of skulls or bombs. The card is therefore warning you to look very carefully at the options that are on offer to you, and not to reach automatically for whatever seems most auspicious, remunerative or golden. Something that appears to be the brightest or biggest may not necessarily be what's best for you. You may encounter this situation in a relationship. For instance, you might find that you're in great demand and that several would-be partners are interested in you at the same time. Which one should you choose? If indeed you should choose any of them. One may have a lot of money, which you might find attractive, but could turn out to have a filthy temper. Another might be uninteresting in worldly concerns, which you think is endearing, but later on you might discover that they have no interest in fidelity either. In the end, you may have to become very involved with someone who perhaps did not seem very appealing at first, or whom you almost discounted but makes you happy. So, to clarify, the Seven of Cups is a card of emotions. It's a card of choices, perhaps too many choices, confusing, a ball of confusion. Are you going through emotional discord, emotional turmoil? Too many choices for you to contend with. As said, water signs, let's get this right. Scorpio, Cancer and Pisces, very emotional, very intuitive, very psychic. Are you any of these signs, or do they resonate to you? Why? Interpretation. How come? Reasons. Really? Why do you have to make a choice? Are you on the verge of making a choice because you've been delaying making a choice when it comes to emotional matters? Are you in a relationship where your head is pulled this way and that way, back and forth? But now you're in a position to think, I need some stability. I need to make some sort of choice which is finite and final. 7 days is 7 cups, so it's 7 days hence from today, the 29th of August. As always, a lot to contend with, and I'll leave you with the thought of the day. For true success, ask yourself these 4 questions. Why? Why not? Why not me? Why not now? What's your why? Please hold that thought, leave a comment, and take care.